Welcome to Energy and Mind Mastery, an original educational series by Relax for Life. In this journey, we combine ancient wisdom with modern awareness to help you understand, transform, and elevate your energy. Each episode is carefully designed to support inner growth, conscious living, and deeper connection with your true self. Take a slow, calm breath and allow yourself to be fully present. Today's lesson is understanding energy and vibration. Let's begin this journey within. Welcome to day 5 of our transformational course, Power of Thoughts and Emotions. Today we enter one of the most powerful spiritual and psychological states available to every human being, the state of gratitude and high vibration. Gratitude is not a belief system. It is not a religion. It is not positive thinking. Gratitude is a biological, emotional, energetic, and neurological state that directly changes how your reality responds to you. When you change your vibration, you change. Your emotional reactions, your nervous system, responses, your subconscious patterns, your attraction field, your decisions, and ultimately, your life direction. High vibration does not mean being happy all the time. It means being conscious instead of reactive. It means choosing awareness instead of emotional autopilot. Today you will learn what vibration truly is, how gratitude shifts brain chemistry, how emotional frequency shapes reality, why most people stay stuck in low vibration, and how to stabilize high vibration long term. This is not motivation. This is inner training. What is vibration? The science and energy connection. Everything that exists is movement. Movement creates vibration. Vibration creates frequency. Frequency creates form. Your thoughts generate electrical activity. Your emotions generate chemical responses. Together, they create your personal vibrational signature. Your body constantly scans the environment and asks, am I safe? Am I accepted? Am I enough? If the answer is fear-based, your vibration lowers. If the answer is trust-based, your vibration rises. Low vibration states include fear, guilt, shame, jealousy, resentment, anger, hopelessness, emotional numbness. High vibration states include gratitude, peace, trust, compassion, appreciation, joy, presence, emotional balance. You do not rise into high vibration by forcing happiness. You rise by changing the relationship you have with your thoughts. Why gratitude is the fastest vibration shifter. Gratitude instantly tells your nervous system, I am safe now. The moment your brain receives that signal, cortisol decreases muscle tension, drops the heart rhythm, stabilizes, the brain shifts into creative mode, emotional regulation, improves. Gratitude does not erase pain. It changes how pain is processed. It changes victim consciousness into observer consciousness, fear into awareness, resistance into flow. Energetically, gratitude expands the biofield, clears stagnant emotional charge, raises coherence between heart and brain, stabilizes emotional reactions, strengthens intuition. People who practice gratitude daily do not live problem-free lives. They live emotionally regulated lives. The hidden, low vibration traps. Many people think they live consciously, but unknowingly stay in low vibration through constant comparison, complaining as a habit, emotional suppression, chronic impatience, self-criticism, intellectualizing instead of feeling, staying in survival mode. Low vibration does not always feel dramatic. Sometimes it feels like boredom, lack of motivation, emotional flatness, mental fog, feeling disconnected. These states are not personality traits. They are nervous system patterns. Gratitude retrains the nervous system to expect support instead of threat, opportunity instead of danger, growth instead of failure. Gratitude as a daily emotional reprogramming tool. Each thought strengthens a neural pathway. Each emotional reaction deepens that pathway. Gratitude interrupts negative loops. Instead of, I always struggle, you begin to notice, I am learning, instead of, nothing works for me. You notice, I survived everything so far, instead of, I am behind in life. You notice, my timing is unique. This is not denial. This is nervous system retraining. Your subconscious listens to emotion more than logic. Gratitude speaks directly to the subconscious. Somatic gratitude, feeling it in the body. Gratitude is not only a thought, it is a felt sensation. Let's do a short body-based activation. Bring your attention to your chest. Take a slow breath. Imagine warm light expanding with each inhale. Exhale tension. Think of one simple thing. Warm sunlight, a safe bed, clean water, your breath. Let your body feel appreciation before your mind explains it. This builds emotional resilience, nervous system stability, vibration endurance. Vibration does not mean avoiding negative emotions. A true high vibration state is not emotional bypassing. You can feel sadness and remain conscious. You can feel anger and remain centered. You can feel fear and still stay present. High vibration means emotions move through you. They do not define you. They do not control your identity. Gratitude allows emotional movement without collapse. Deep gratitude affirmation sequence. Listen and repeat. Internally, I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for my nervous system learning safety. I am grateful for my ability to grow. I am grateful for every lesson that shaped my awareness. I am grateful even when I do not yet understand. I am grateful for the unseen protection around me. I am grateful for alignment unfolding in my life. I am grateful for the energy supporting my evolution. Let these words sink into your subconscious slowly. Integration and conscious closure. Today, you learned that gratitude is not a reaction to success. It is a cause of alignment. High vibration is not emotional excitement. It is emotional coherence. You do not rise in vibration because life becomes perfect. Life becomes more aligned because you rise in vibration. This is not spiritual fantasy. This is nervous system training. This is subconscious reprogramming. This is emotional mastery. Thank yourself for this practice. Thank your awareness. Thank your nervous system for adapting. Thank your emotions for teaching you. In day 6, we enter the deep level of subconscious programming and emotional memory. Until then, stay conscious, stay grounded, and stay grateful. Thank you for sharing this moment with us in energy and mind mastery. I hope this episode helped you gain a deeper understanding of how your energy shapes your emotions, health, and reality. Remember, every conscious breath raises your vibration, and every mindful choice strengthens your inner light. If this lesson brought you clarity or inspiration, please consider liking this video, subscribing to Relax for Life, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us continue creating original, educational content to guide others on their spiritual journey. See you in the next episode.